Have you ever been stuck needing your RingCentral account number, but you just couldn't find it? Whether you're porting your number to a new provider, dealing with a billing inquiry, or trying to access advanced account features, knowing where to locate this crucial piece of information can save you a lot of time and frustration. It's one of those seemingly simple things that can quickly become a roadblock if you're not sure where to look. The truth is, your RingCentral account number isn't always staring you in the face. Unlike a traditional phone bill that might prominently display an account ID, RingCentral, being a cloud-based communication platform, integrates this information into various parts of their system. This can make it a little less intuitive to locate for the everyday user. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at finding your RingCentral account number, no matter the situation. Think about it. In today's fast-paced digital world, efficiency is key. Every minute you spend searching for basic account information is a minute you could be spending on more important tasks, like running your business or connecting with clients. That's why understanding the ins and outs of your RingCentral account, starting with something as fundamental as your account number, is so incredibly valuable. It empowers you to take control of your service, troubleshoot issues more effectively, and ensure seamless transitions when you need to make changes. So, let's dive into the specifics. There are a few primary places where your RingCentral account number is typically located, and we'll walk through each of them, step by step. Method 1. Your RingCentral online account portal. This is usually your first and best bet. The RingCentral online account portal is designed to be your central hub for managing all aspects of your service, and your account number is almost always accessible there. Here's how to find it. Log in to your RingCentral admin portal. Open your web browser and go to the RingCentral website. Look for the login or sign-in button, usually located in the top right corner. Enter your administrator credentials. This is typically the email address and password associated with your RingCentral account. If you're not the administrator, you might need to ask your account's administrator for assistance, as user-level accounts may have limited access to billing or overall account information. Navigate to account settings or billing information. Once you're logged in, the interface might vary slightly depending on recent updates or your specific plan, but generally, you'll want to look for sections like Account Settings, Billing, My Account, or Account Overview. These are the most common places where your account details are stored. Sometimes, there's a direct link to My Account right after you log in, making it even easier. Locate your account number. Within these sections, you should see your account number displayed. It's often referred to as your account number, account ID, or sometimes it's simply your main 10-digit RingCentral phone number. In many cases, it's explicitly labeled as your account number. Keep an eye out for details related to your overall service plan, company name, and billing information, as these fields often appear alongside your account number. Method 2. Your RingCentral bill. If you have a recent RingCentral bill, either a physical copy or an electronic version, your account number should be listed on it. This is particularly useful if you're trying to port your number or if you need to provide account details to a new carrier, as they often request a recent bill for verification. Here's what to look for on your bill. Access your billing history. If you receive electronic bills, you can usually access your billing history through the same online admin portal we just discussed. Look for a billing history or invoices section. Open a recent bill. Download or view a recent bill, ideally one from the last 30 to 60 days. Find the account number, scan the document for account number, account ID, or a similar identifier. It's usually located near the top of the bill, along with your company name, service address, and billing telephone number, BTN. The BTN is also a crucial piece of information often used for identification, especially during porting processes. Method 3. Contacting RingCentral support. If you've exhausted the first two methods and still can't find your account number, or if you're having trouble accessing your account, don't hesitate to reach out to RingCentral's customer support. They have access to all your account information and can easily provide you with your account number after verifying your identity. Here's how to contact them. Visit the RingCentral support website. Go to the official RingCentral support website. Look for contact options. You'll typically find options for live chat, phone support, or submitting a support ticket. Be ready to verify your identity. When you contact support, they will ask you a series of questions to verify your identity before they can provide you with your account number. This is for your security and typically includes information like your main RingCentral phone number, the name on the account, the billing address, and possibly other security questions. Why is your RingCentral account number important? Knowing your account number is more critical than you might initially think. Here's why. Number porting. This is perhaps the most common reason people need their account number. If you decide to switch providers and want to keep your existing RingCentral phone number, your new carrier will require your RingCentral account number, and often a recent bill, to initiate the porting process. Without it, the transfer can't happen. Billing inquiries. When you have questions about your bill, charges, or need to update payment information, having your account number handy makes the support process much smoother and faster. Account management and upgrades. For certain account changes, upgrades, or adding new features, the support team or automated systems might ask for your account number to quickly pull up your profile. Security and verification. Your account number acts as a primary identifier for your service with RingCentral, helping to ensure that only authorized individuals can access and make changes to your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.